Someone woke up happy. Hagen, where's those smiles? Where's those smiles? Where's those smiles? Yay. Yeah? Hiccups. I get the hiccups all the time. Tell us. So I can't smile and I have the hiccups. Nope. Yeah.
Kinda.
Yeah. Silly hiccups messed up my smiles this morning. Yeah. They did. That's funny. It's funny. Yeah. That's so funny. That's so funny, Hagen. Yeah. I know. You're trying to smile and your hiccups are messing you up. It's so funny. Okay.
You need to do a video camera.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.